How to remove and install rocker arms on a Dodge Dakota. This video outlines factory procedures for removing and installing rocker arms on a 2001, 2002 or 2003 Dodge Dakota truck. Make sure you download the complete factory repair manual at 911manual.com before attempting to remove or install rocker arms on the Dodge Dakota. Go to 911manual.com to download the complete factory repair manual. You can download the manual in seconds. The repair manual, seen here, covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting, service and repair. You can use it to perform a simple oil change or to rebuild the entire vehicle. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for digital download manuals.